And now it's time for day 5 of My Computer is Still Broken.
What the fuck? Holy shit. We got action. Alright, let's see. Run setup. Is that not recognizing the hard drive? That's no good. Let's see if it can at least boot off the flash drive first. This is where it would freeze up before. This is further than I've gotten in several days. Yeah, it would have frozen by now. Okay, let's install. This PC must support TPM 2.0. What does that fucking mean? This fucking piece of shit!